A, an, and the are articles. You know, small little words that we use in front of people, places, and things in English. So, what do we need them for? A and an are used before words which are singular. This means that there is only one person, one place, and one thing, and countable. You can also count them. I have a beautiful tree in my garden. My neighbors have adopted an elephant. Did you understand which tree or which elephant I was talking about? I bet you don't, because that was the first time I mentioned them, so it could be any tree or any elephant. How about I tell you a little bit more about them? I have a beautiful tree in my garden. The tree was planted by my dad. My neighbors have adopted an elephant. The elephant is 5 years old. Now that you understand which tree and which elephant I am talking about, so both you and I are clear about it, I can use the in front of them. We use the when both the speaker and the listener understand who or what somebody or something is. Sometimes we don't use any articles, like in phrases go home, go to work, go to bed, at home, at work. Despite the fact that articles are little words and may seem unimportant, we should not underestimate them, since they can change the meaning of what we are saying. Let me give you a few examples. Neil Armstrong, the first man who walked on the moon. Millions of people were watching him climbing down the steps from the spacecraft. Once he stepped on the moon, he said, "That's one small step for a man, one giant leap for mankind." Look carefully. Don't you think something is missing? Yes, you're right. There should have been a in front of man. It's really little, but it matters. If you say a man, it means it was a small step for an individual man, Neil Armstrong in this case. However, without a, man means all men and women, people in general. Without a, it means that was one small step for people in general, one giant leap for people in general. Doesn't make a lot of sense, does it? That's why a is so important in this sentence. As a matter of fact, Neil Armstrong said it, but he said it so quickly that you cannot hear it on the recording. This pen is shit. The sun is the shit. It's no secret that the word shit is offensive and is used to describe something of low quality, like the way I used it in my first sentence. If you add the in front of it, it means cool, awesome. However, context is really important here too, because if you say something like, if his parents find out about it, he will be in the shit. You wouldn't mean that his parents will be particularly happy about whatever it is he has done. That would mean that the guy will be in trouble. Thanks for watching the video and keep learning!